Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Electromech Solutions. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with others and press bell icon for further notification. And I hope you will like this video. Let's start today's video. Today's video is about how to make series board connection. Take one wire which is neutral from your main 220 volts socket to the bulb of 200 watt directly. Now you need another socket. Connect the phase wire to that socket and from second socket to the bulb. Series board experiment. Take any load, connect it in series socket. The fan will blow slowly because in series, and bulb will also glow. If you will use bigger load, the bulb will glow more. Please watch the complete video. Don't skip the video. Let's start the practical. We need one screwdriver, one shoe, socket, second socket, main power supply, 220 volt, one holder and one bulb. First of all we need shoe. As we have learned, one lead we need to connect directly to the bulb. This lead will go to the bulb holder directly. And the other lead will go to the second socket. As you can see, this is the green and yellow is going directly to the holder. Now this will go to the second socket. And this will go to the socket to holder. You can see this is green one is going directly to the holder and the other one, red one, is going to the socket and then socket to the holder. Socket is now in series. Now connect the bulb. Now bulb and give the 220 to the bulb. So our series board is ready. Okay, we will connect our fan here. See, the fan is running. Now we will connect another resistance, the soldering iron. As you can see, the soldering iron is glowing. As you saw, now I have the experience. Suppose if anything will be short, then what will be happen? Suppose this is a plier and this is a short. We will short it. When we will short it, the bulb will glow and nothing will happen. This will be as like a direct wire to the bulb. So this is a function of the series board. When you will check anything in series board, the thing will be short or any damage, the series board will tell you. As we connected this plier, so this was short because this is connecting each other. So the bulb is glowing. When we will connect any other thing which will be okay, so the bulb will glow very minor. Let's have another example. We have connected this in series electric kettle. Now let's see what happened now. Because this is the bigger load, the most voltage is dropping across the bulb and bulb is glowing more. As you can see, the light of this electric kettle glowing very little. Friends, thanks for watching. I think you have liked this video and share this video with others. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further notification. Stay blessed.